Amanda's crying because I won 3rd place and she didn't win. So I'm going to show you that I vote for her and I support her no matter what. Please stop crying, Amanda. By the way, I'm on call with her right now. We're best friends. Please, no. She's actually, I'm about to buy the Dear Dolly ribbon heels, and she's also upset about that. So I will see you when I am about to buy the Dear Dolly ribbon heels. Okay, guys, we are going on the runway, and let's see if I win. And yeah, let's see if I get the luck. Okay, so I just won 1st place again, and I can buy it, and I'm about to die. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's buy them. Let's buy them. Let's buy them. Amanda. Oh my gosh, I said the wrong name. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Amanda. Can you see? 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. I just bought it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, so pretty. Leah, I'm gonna die. Look at them. Oh my god. Oh my god. Leah, 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 you. Leah, wait. I'm about to vomit. I'm about to vomit. Deep breaths. Deep breaths. Leah, stop crying, please. Where are you? I want you to see that. There you are, Leah. Look at my feet. Look at my feet. Look at my feet. Oh my gosh. Look at, okay, there's like a thing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Leah, don't cry. Cry, please. Oh my god. Oh god, Leah. I'm dying right now. Oh my gosh. Guys,